So the village was closed because of this COVID second outbreak, but we got to go on the boat and it was fantastic. Looking forward to coming back another time.
He asked me why I write this. Well, that's a loaded question. I guess I'm telling stories, notebook full of lessons. I live on writer's block. The notion comes and goes. Just up that country road is my humble bungalow. Lived in Cali with moms and Alaska with pops. First half of my life in no particular chaos. Busted at 16 for brawling, learned all about law and order. Couple months for assault and battery, it had to be done.
The boat. Look at the boat.
Lock the car. Take a key to this.
Hey, little man.
Someone want to ride a boat.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool, huh? You ready, mate? You helping? You helping?
Yeah.
Good boy. Good helping, yeah? Ooh. Come on, mate. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Cool, huh? Yeah. Ready, come.
เป็นห้องว่าแม่น้ำอะไรอย่างอะเจ้าแม่น้ำปายอ๋อเจ้าอ๋อมีขอบคุณเจ้าขอบคุณเจ้า
ขอบคุณมากครับ
อากาศดีมากแล้วก็เงียบเจ้ามีโอกาสจะแวะมาแห่งใหม่เจ้าโอเคขอบคุณครับอลอนโซ
I know. I'm sorry. Have to go.
have to go we come back
โชคดีครับโชคดีครับ
ขอบคุณเจ้าขอบคุณเจ้า
Stood up. It was like the paddleboard.
อลอนโซมานี่เลยไปแล้วบ๊ายบายคุณลุงบ๊ายบายครับสวัสดีคุณลุง